Welcome to the 21st Files. Today, we explore the transformative impact of artificial intelligence and automation on the landscape of work, examining how these technologies are reshaping industries and job roles. Artificial intelligence and automation are revolutionizing industries by streamlining processes, enhancing productivity, and enabling new capabilities in data analysis and decision-making. In manufacturing and logistics, AI-powered robots are augmenting human workers, increasing operational efficiency, and handling repetitive tasks with precision and speed. In offices and service industries, AI technologies are supporting remote work, facilitating virtual collaboration, and enhancing customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants. As AI and automation continue to advance, questions about job displacement, upskilling, and the future of employment arise, prompting discussions on workforce reskilling and the ethical implications of AI adoption. The impact of AI and automation on the future of work is profound. Thanks for watching the 21st Files. If you found this exploration enlightening, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the innovations shaping our work environments.